We are given the following figure and we're asked to do two things. First of all, we are asked to find the height that will make the diagonal 90 centimeters. So therefore, we know that our diagonal over here is 90 centimeters. And so first of all, we notice that this is a triangle that we recognize, and we also know that it is made up of a side over here, which is h, and a side over here, which we do not know, and a side over here, which is 90 centimeters, or hypotenuse. So to start off with, we need to try to find our side over here that we are trying to determine. So we notice that we can actually draw this out as a triangle. So this is a section that we are drawing out right here. And so we can say that this is 70 centimeters, this is 50 centimeters, and so we can try to find our hypotenuse. So we know that 50 squared plus 70 squared is equal to, let's call it h squared. Actually, no, we can't call it h because our height is called h, so let's call it y. So y squared